Hey guys, it's Joanna and we are back at 3rd Street in Richmond on our new renovation project that will hopefully include new construction. So inside we've done the demo and we've done the framing for the new bedroom and to close off the 2 bedrooms. I'm still waiting for the county to give me approval on the variance that I requested for the new construction. But let's see what's going on in the rental property, or what's going to be the rental property. So if you recall, we are now standing in the living room, but we've made some framing changes, and you can see that we have a new hallway going straight down, and where this used to be the opening into the dining room, we have now framed this room completely. This is the 3rd bedroom. That will get us additional rent. In this bedroom, this is now a bedroom because we have egress. We have a proper egress window, and we have a closet. Has not been completed. We still have the old furnace in here that's coming out. And so we're left with this weird space. So I'm debating on whether to knock this wall down and extend the closet, or make this some like cool shoe closet, purse closet, just like some shelves in here. I'm not sure. What are your thoughts? In this room, if you recall, we had an opening into the next bedroom. So we framed that up so we can completely separate this bedroom from the neighboring bedroom. So in this neighboring bedroom, you can see over here, this is where we've closed off that door. But we also had a hideous water closet for the water heater. We are actually going to take this water heater and move it to what used to be the back porch where the laundry goes. And this bedroom will still have direct access to the bathroom here, where you can see we have gutted the bathroom, taken out all the fixtures. We're going to hide the plumbing that is exposed. And here at the shower, where this was just kind of the wall cut off here, we've now taken the framing all the way to the top. And we've done the same back here. And we did leave the shelves back here for towels, linens, and such. But we took all the framing to the top where it was not there before. Here in the kitchen, you can see we've gutted everything in the kitchen. We're actually changing the layout of the kitchen. So all of the kitchen cabinets and appliances are going to be on this wall. We're going to shorten this window. The sink will be here in front of the window, and all the kitchen cabinets, refrigerator, sink, stove over there will be on this wall, because we've eliminated the dining room, so people have to have somewhere to eat. So that way they'll have all of this area for an eat-in kitchen. Here on this back porch is where all of the utilities will go. So we'll have washer, dryer, and that water heater is going to come out here. We're getting new windows and doors back here, and this window into the bathroom is going to be framed up, and it'll just be regular wall here. Okay guys, so you see we are making progress here. This should be completed within 3 weeks and ready for a new tenant, while we're still waiting for the variance of the other lots, so I can tear down the garage and build something new, or turn the garage into an ADU. So we shall see. But in the meantime, I'm still on the hunt for more properties. So if you have a property to sell, or you know someone looking to sell a property, give me a call, 804-596-9110. I look forward to working with you. See you next time.